Dun, 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 dun. Hey guys, it's Ben and Sarah here today for Escape the Echo Chamber with Neil's cat and Ben, and today we are still at Byfield and we're on this creek, I think it is.
Stoney Creek.
Stoney Creek, just before you get to Byfield. And yeah,
it's a good one.
It's yeah, beautiful. You gotta watch out because there's crocodile signs here too, so they get in here as well. Yeah, it's so nice. The water's like really clear. It's not the best day, but the water is really clear. It's not the greatest day for seeing through it. And then there's like the old road. There's that there is another one of them really old roads like we looked at yesterday, but all the stone's been washed out of the middle, I think. And yeah, it's cool as. Go back to the Wombat, and then because it's a dirt road we're on, we'll see how far up we can go. And if we can get up to the mouth of one of these. This is the old road and this is the ford, and it would have been packed full of rocks, so it was level between the bits of wood there. And yeah, this would be like, getting on 200 years old, eh? This bit of wood and some of the rocks around here that have been washed out of it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a pity that there's no signs here or nothing, because this is a really cool spot. And unless you like notice the little offshoot down the side of the street, you'd never find this place. So yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, like we're probably the only people that will enjoy this today, hey? Like who would ever know that this is here?
Yeah, I'd be surprised if anybody else comes down here this week. Like, yeah, yeah, it's a mad spot. Alright, so we went down the street about like 500 meters, and yeah, that's the end of that road, and it comes into this really nice camping ground, which is like so much nicer than the camping ground where we stayed last night. It was all like dirt and sand. This one's all like grass and nice and like, yeah. So well, you can't win them all. Go have a look around here, because there's a track up there we think goes down to a big T intersection on the creek, and that might be like the actual Red Rock bit. So yeah, let's have a look. Right, so we followed the road that become the track that become the goat trail that brought us down here. So I think it might be called Red Rock just because of all the red rock. I don't know if it's like a granite or a basalt, but yeah, I'm guessing it's just all the red rock in the creek. There's not like an actual big red rock anywhere.
Oh my god, how cool is this?
Yeah, what a mad spot, eh? This trippy nest in the tree. Look, what makes that? Yeah. It's got to be a bird, but like I have no idea what type of bird would do that. So I'm thinking now it might be like some big bush hornets or something. Like it's all like, yeah, like all little webby cavern looking things in there. Like, wow. Yeah. Weird as. It was empty anyway, because I like pulled the branch down and looked straight in it. If it was full of hornets or wasps or something, like, yeah, it wouldn't have been great. Bits like Upper Stoney Creek waterholes, and the sign up the top reckons you can swim here. It says, don't swim anywhere else, but you can swim here because of the crocodiles.
The crocodile said it's okay here.
Yeah, he doesn't like it here, so like have it.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's so nice. Byfield's an awesome place. It's like, I don't know, kind of remote, but like you're still only like half an hour drive back to Bunnings at Yeppoon. So like that's pretty cool. Yeah. But yeah, really need a 4-wheel drive to like make the most of it, I think. But even what you can see from the tar roads has been pretty awesome, I think. So probably gonna like cruise back to Yeppoon slowly now and set up camp over there somewhere and use old mate showers, because like the pressure in there is like hypnotic.
Oh yeah,
So,
Yeppoon Hack and Pony Club, best showers of your life.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see you there, I guess. Guys, so we stopped at this Bengali, and yeah, the beach here is epic. You got the islands, endless. And you can see Yeppoon. I think you can even see Emu Park. You can see like everywhere from here. It's awesome. Check this out. That's Yeppoon over here, and then there's that wreck rock where we started, where we saw the turtles, and then the harbour's over here, and then Emu Park is like out over there. Oh, didn't like that. Anyway, and then you got like Great Keppel Island here, and then Great Keppel Island North there, and then like way up here is back up to BYFIELD, where we just come from, and there's where the 4-wheel drives are coming from. Yeah, it's mad spot. This beach
Where
is
else
like
but Queensland, hey?
so long and epic. It's mad. You and the wombat won't get down this bit. Like I reckon I could make it get down here, but trying to get back up off the beach, you'd never do it, and we'd end up just being a reef when the tide come in. So we're back at the Hack and Pony Club. It's like my second home now. It's so nice here. Yeah, if you stay at Yeppoon, definitely come and stay here. Don't waste your time staying down at the beach there. It's just the beach. This is so much better, and you can go down the beach whenever you want. So yeah, anyway, that's going to be about it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed BYFIELD and this little bit of Yeppoon again. And yeah, we're hanging around here till the weekend. So yeah, there might not be much else until then. But yeah, we will see you then. Slice up your tomatoes and your onions, and then you butter one side of your bread, and that's the back side, right? And then you'll want salt and pepper as well, and some cheese. Right, so you whack that all together, and then add plenty of cheese. You want to make sure you've got enough, and then stick the buttered side up onto there, squish this thing down over, and then we're going to go and toast it over there. So you bring your thing over here, and then you stick it on the fire like this, and then you got to flip it all the time or it'll end up turning black. A few turns later. Yeah, Daddy, now we're cooking with fire. Then you just got to knock them out of this thing. And that's been cooking with Ben. Thanks guys for watching.